Meat cake. Meat cake, yes.
It is a meat cake.
Next plate. Can we eat these cookies? Chanel, the French bulldog as well.
And
Chanel?
yeah, give her cookies. And then we've got Luna.
Derek, those cookies aren't edible. No, the other cookies, sweet cookies. A second.
You go and get
Simba's
yourself.
got a dinosaur.
You go and get yourself your cookies and stuff.
What's up?
Right, Luna, it's yours.
Chanel,
Off you go.
Chanel. Oh, they're all eating it. That's for Simba the dinosaur. Simba, do you want the dinosaur?
Chanel,
Chanel.
you have these.
You have yourself. No, Luna, you're the queen. And Luna's the queen.
Simba just gobbled it all quickly, and they're so yummy. They're so successful.
Yeah,
so
let's keep these for later.
He would just go and help himself while we were doing the cake. Yay! Oh, thank you, Luna. You're the only one who does the good job. Whose birthday is this? Yeah, do the Luna's. Is that Luna's?
That's for everyone. Get it. Okay. Simba,
Chanel, where's your presents? Where are your presents, guys? Where are your presents?
Maybe they'll want to open it like this. She doesn't want to open it.
Look, you've got your present.
Got it. You've got it.
Right.
Luna, Simba. No, that's Chanel's. Luna, Simba. Chanel.
They're gonna be.
Chanel. Yeah, and then can we open the balls? Luna's got her ball.
Okay, that's a game. Who wins? Who pulls the rope first? The wins. Who pulls the rope wins. Who pulls the rope wins. What about the birthday girl? Number 2.
There's me covered in paint. Just I've been painting.
And then Chanel. So, Mommy's gonna play with you because you're always the piggy in the middle, aren't you? You're always the piggy in the middle. I'm not gonna let you through.
Mom, should they pull this? Because this is like,
There's the last present, which is
I don't think they should put it.
is just the try on for Chanel. Last one is the.
No, Chanel.
That's the harness, the jacket, and this is that. So Chanel, do you want to try it on?
Let's just take the.
She's enjoying the play.
Oh, it's Velcro.
Yeah, it is a Velcro, and
Let's go this on.
she's stronger than Simba. Look. Luna has a small one. Oh, Simba, that's cheating. You can't use your paws. She's pulling your tight.
Just take it.
No, it goes all the way around.
Oh, doesn't it? Chanel?
Yeah, she goes through. There you go. Lena's got her ball. Aww.
It's like a big coat. It's like a coat for her. Oh, yeah.
Here's your ball. Here's your ball, my darling.
It's a bit. Aha, I tightened it.
Yeah, so this is how it goes.
Oh.
Let's see.
Oh, Luna's clever.
What's she doing? Simba, be careful.
Simba.
Chanel can go on the sofa.
Ah.
Can you get her on the sofa? She's pulling
No.
the string.
No. Get it, get it, get it.
Simba's still a scary cat with the balloons.
No. Chanel! Simba! Simba!
Oh, you come here, Simba. Simba. Simba.
Yay! There, Chanel got it. I'm just trying to get it. Pop the balloon! Try popping that. Yay! Popped it.
That's it, Simba. Oh yeah. Yay, hold on. Let's start
Nice
counting. Okay, have you enjoyed your birthday party? Chanel? Is your first year? You're 1 years old. You're such a big girl. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like it, don't forget to put thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We love you all. Bye.